Stress-free cooking. Meet the Pro 5.8-quart air fryer, the highly efficient tool that brings healthier fried flavors to your countertop. Perfect result. An NTC sensor sends accurate information to the air fryer, which automatically adjusts temperatures to keep fluctuations under 5 degrees F for evenly cooked meals. One-touch cooking. Choose from 13 convenient cooking functions with a single touch, each finely tuned by COSORI chefs to product the tastiest results. You can also choose your preferred temperature and time for your personal recipes. Large capacity. The air fryer's spacious 5.8-quart square baskets can fit a whole 5-pound chicken. Additionally, the corner spaces provide more cooking capacity and flexibility than round designs. Cook the perfect amount of food for 3 to 5 people in one go. 100 included recipes. Find inspiration for every meal with 100 original, COSORI chef-created recipes that include size, cook time, and temperature. Even beginner chefs can cook with confidence. Healthy efficient. Cook your food up to 50% faster than a traditional oven and reduce your food's oil content by up to 85% than traditional deep frying, giving it the same crispy taste without the health drawbacks. Mess-free cooking. The removable, dishwasher-safe baskets have non-stick coating that makes cleanup quick and easy. Find more COSORI air fryer accessories by searching C158-6AC and parchment paper liners CLRR 581 WOOS. Satisfaction guaranteed. Experiencing issues? Our California-based customer support team is here to help. If your product is defective, don't worry about shipping it back. We'll send you a replacement right away. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome air fryer. This air fryer is awesome. I need a large basket for walleye and this is the largest I could find, 10 by 10, which was a selling point. However, there are so many benefits. The programmed options, the ease of cleaning, the safety button on the basket, the price, just to name a few. I've only had it a few days and I've already made a home for it on my counter and replaced my smaller, less versatile Philips air fryer with this dynamo. I'll keep the other one for things like fries or potatoes, while using this one for the main items. I haven't looked at the recipe book but I am going to do so soon. One more thing, I shop on Amazon very often and this is one of the few reviews I feel compelled to write.